I had to grab my staple. What? 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 I was just coming over here to stable this, and all the girls escaped. Help me. Jesus, take the chickens.
God makes messy things beautiful when you put them in his hands. God makes messy things beautiful like only he can. After the showers, look for the flowers, and you'll find out it's trutiful. God makes messy things beautiful.
All right, now this is odd, and this I cannot explain. I noticed that the rooster was not over there, like the mean rooster. He was not over in his pen, and I'm like, where's the mean rooster? So we all started going on a hunt for it. Jedediah found him. Somehow, he got himself stuck underneath Marty's tractor. Don't ask me how he did that, but we're gonna have to figure out how to get him out. How did you get yourself stuck under here? It's not been on. What on earth did you do? Crazy. All right, let's go around. How did you get like a spur stuck? And that's why you can't get out? What on earth, rooster? You make no sense. Don't attack me. I'm gonna try to get your foot undone. Get your foot now. I hope he didn't get his head stuck up in there. What the heck? Oh my goodness, I gotta figure this out. All right, rooster. What? Are you stuck? What are you doing under here? He's not stuck. He just won't come out. All right, I'm gonna take Livy inside because she's driving me crazy right now, and I think that's why he ain't coming out. All right, rooster. We gotta get you out. Is your wing stuck? Oh, it feels like his wing is stuck. His wing is caught. Or maybe not. Come on, buddy. Come on out. Get your head is not stuck. Nothing is stuck. You are just being stubborn. Oh, rooster, you got yourself in a pickle. Oh, Whitaker just touched my back with his cold hands. That is so cold. All right, dude, for real. Whitaker's trying to call him out. He's going, come on. Come on out. Like, turn around. Back yourself up. Oh, wait, wait. Oh, wait, what are you doing? Don't climb up there, buddy. Okay. All right, rooster. You are not stuck. You are just being dumb and not getting yourself out. Go to the ground. Maybe I should get you to turn around. See if I can't turn you around. Please don't peck me. I'm trying to help you, okay? Okay, turn around. Can you come out this way? Can you come out this way? Hi, I see you. I don't think you can come out this way. But let's see if we can't get you. Hey, buddy. See if we can't get you turned around. Turn your body. Let's see. Maybe I can reach up underneath you and get you to turn around. Okay, now go out that way. Go out that way. Go on. Go. 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 Oh, goodness. Go on out. Go. I'm pushing his booty. He ain't going. Come on. He just sat down. How long have you been under there? Only since this morning, really. All right, I'm gonna pull him out. What did you go and stand up and turn around for? Get back there. Yeah, go this way. Go on. Yeah, he just ran out on his own. You make no sense, dude. No sense. All right, come on. Let's get you in. You've got to stop flying over the fence. If you want to protect your ladies, stay with the ladies. No more flying over. All right, let's see if I can't get him to go around. I was gonna try to get him to go in there, but his ladies are trying to get out of the fence, so I'm trying to get him to hurry up and go in before the girls get out. Don't run past the opening! That's the second time! I'm about to have a nervous breakdown. Maybe I should have Livy helping me. He's gone in between. I'm just gonna catch his butt. Dude, I'm catching you. I'm tired of this. I can't keep running in circles. Please don't hurt me either. We're done with this attacking stuff. Come on. I got you. There you go. Okay, let's close the gate before the girls get out. Ah! No! Don't come out. I'm done with my chasing chickens for the day. Had to grab my staple. What? I was just coming over here to staple this, and all the girls escaped. Help me. Jesus, take the chickens. I put the kids to work. They're chasing the chickens for me. Jedi and Audrey really did a good job getting the other three. Now they're chasing this one around. Oh no, where's she going? She's going back the other way. Chase her, get her. We're trying to get her to come in here, but she's smart. She just turns around and... All right, get her, Jedediah. Oh, Jedediah, you gotta stay close to the coop. Audrey, you gotta help, Audrey. Where's she at? Go, Audrey, get her. Whew, Jedi, go around. She's gonna come around the other way. Get her, Audrey, get her. Here she comes. Jedediah. We need to get her to go in between. Can you grab her? Yes. Grab her. Oh. Look, get her. Yeah. Okay, here, hold the camera so I can catch her. Film her.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna get her. Ready? I got her. Hey, look. We caught her. She's the last one. You want to touch her?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Oh, she's okay. She's just a little scared, but she's not gonna peck. You want to touch her, Audrey? Yeah.
Remember, wash your hands.
Yeah, we'll wash our hands. Oh my goodness. She's beautiful. Look at those gorgeous feathers.
Look at gorgeous wings.
I gotta go put her back over.
Look at their wings.
Her wings. She's beautiful.
She's beautiful.
She is beautiful.
She's looking at me.
All right, let's quickly get this stapled before any more escapees. Staple the chickens. Oh boy. Okay, melt your heart alert. I was holding Whitaker's hand, helping him down the hill, and I was singing, I wanna hold your hand. It was so cute. Well, he let go of me and gave me a little kiss, and then he reached out for Jedediah, and he was like, I wanna hold Jedediah's hand. Oh my gosh. Can I just can I just cry right now? Now he's dragging him. The cuteness factor left. He's dragging him. Oh my gosh. I love you too. Whitaker's like, save me, Mom. And here comes Audrey. Aww. So precious. So amidst all that crazy chickenness, my clip is missing off of my staple gun, so I can't clip I can't keep the handle clipped down, and I don't know where the clip's at. I looked everywhere by the chickens, can't find it. My next guess is maybe looking here. Well, I can't find it, but that ain't nothing a good old-fashioned twist I can't solve. Yeah, we just got totally redneck. The cute factor is back. Jedediah was just swinging him. And he's like, come on, brother, let's swing. And Whitaker's loving it. Oh my gosh. I think they actually are gonna have lots of fun in a room together. A lot more fun than Audrey and Jedediah. Audrey is a girl. She wants her space. She wants her own toys, her own girl stuff. No boys. I don't want Jedediah touching my toys. So I think it'll be good for her to just have her girl space and let the boys be together. That's cute. Just gonna swing him again. So cute. Aww. He wants them to swing at the same exact time. I think they're gonna be best buddies. They'll always have each other's back. So sweet. He really wants him to swing the same. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Seriously, you want to know what's running through my head right now? You got a friend in me. But that's really what's coming through my head right now. And I'm getting tears in my eyes. Were you swinging with your buddy? Mm-hmm. Is Whitaker your pal? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I know the sun's bright, isn't it, kiddo? Aw. Do you want to get down though, kid? It's really bright in his eyes. He's like, don't look at the sun. Don't look at the sun. Woo-za! Woo! You're a cutie, Jedediah. I am currently working on, I'm currently working on my parents' gift for Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving. We're doing Christmas with them as well since we won't see them. But anyways, I think I already mentioned that. I can't show what it is just in case they actually watch this. But they know that I usually always make something. But I will give a hint. It involves pretty gold glitter and hot glue. That's it. Have fun guessing with that one. I gotta finish.
Na 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 na
Sing it again.
Da 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 na 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 na.
Can the weather
Na na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
How they say it? We've got to peace out.
I'm not saying anything yet. I don't know. It's that time of the night, time where I need to close the vlog. I'm tired. We had a pretty good day. Lots of chasing chickens. The kids chased chickens today, I didn't tell you. Okay, so the rooster got out, as everybody saw, and then in the process of putting the rooster back, all 4 of the hens got out. So the kids were chasing the hens, and it was really funny. But I've got to say I'm thankful for today, and I have to say I am very thankful for how sweet Jedediah was being to Whitaker today. He was being such a good big brother, and it was so cute to watch him play with Whit and hold hands with Whit and take him and put him in the swing and swing him, and it was just adorable. So I'm so thankful for Jedediah being a sweet big brother today. But my eyes probably look bloodshot. I'm tired. You tired?
Mm-hmm.
We're sitting here watching some Good Mythical More. We just got done watching Good Mythical Morning, and it was funny. But anyways, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm going to bed, and tomorrow I get to bank. Tomorrow I get to bake some pies for the first time. I've never baked a pie before, so I'm excited. Yay! Anyways, thanks for watching. We love you.